In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name cells in Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll know how to create a clear label for a single cell and use that name in a formula, which makes your spreadsheets easier to read, easier to maintain, and less error-prone. First, look toward the top left of the Excel window, just to the left of the formula bar. That small field is called the name box. It normally shows the address of the currently selected cell, like A1 or C5. We're going to use this box to assign a friendly name to a cell, so we can reference it without memorizing coordinates. Now, click the specific cell you want to name. Make sure you have the correct cell selected before you continue, because the name you assign will point exactly to this cell's location. If you're unsure, glance at the name box and confirm it shows the address of the cell you just clicked. With the cell selected, move your cursor into the name box, click inside it, and type a short descriptive name. Keep a few rules in mind so Excel accepts it. Start with a letter or an underscore, avoid spaces and special characters, and don't use something that looks like a cell reference, such as A1 or R1C1. For readability, many people use underscores or capitalize words, like total sales or total sales. When you're done typing the name, confirm it to set the name for that selected cell. Next, let's use that name in a formula. Click another empty cell where you want to display the named cell's value. Type an equal sign, then immediately type the exact name you just created. As you type, Excel will often suggest matching names. You can pick yours from the suggestion list to avoid typos. This tells Excel, return whatever value is stored in the cell I named. Finally, press Enter to run the formula. You should now see the value from your named cell appear in this new location. If you change the original cell's value later, any formula referencing the name will update automatically, which is one of the biggest advantages of using names. You can also use that same name inside longer formulas, such as calculations or lookups, to make them easier to read and debug. That's it. You clicked the name box, selected your target cell, set a clear name, referenced it with an equals sign, and confirmed the formula. With this simple technique, your spreadsheets become more intuitive, consistent, and easier to maintain.